So in Florida, we went from nice sunshiny to cold. For us Floridians, it's cold, but we just had a customer drive all the way down from Ohio, took advantage of our Black Friday deal for a amazing 6-speaker audio build on this 2024 Indian Chieftain. I'm not going to rattle on too much. Looking at me, I know y'all want to see the bike, so let's go show you the bike, talk about what we're going to be doing, and get it back here, get it cleaned up and in the bay, and start the install so he can come back from Ohio to get this done. Again, 2024 Indian Chieftain. I'm pretty sure this is an Elite. Actually, it might not be, but it's just got a super awesome paint scheme. I love this color where they added the Indian War Bonnets, the black and the blue lines and everything. Looks absolutely amazing. So what we're going to be doing on this bike is a dual amp, dual battery, 6-speaker setup in the fairing. We're going to do our tried and true PSM Pro. Cicada Audio FLX 1400 here. Doobie's bass knob on the handlebars. Limitless lithium here. CXX is here. In the bags, we are sealing and porting them for CMB 10s. And in the Slimline Tour Pack, we're going to be doing a smaller Limitless 12 series battery here with a 2501 on the back wall here. Save him as much tour spec space as possible and set him up to where if he wants to add lowers or change the lids to 8s, he can. So let me get this bike in the back, get the guys washing it up, get it in the bay and torn down, and we'll show you the process. Getting this bike put back together to a point. This isn't done under here. We still have a lot to do, but I just wanted to show you all we've got. Over here, we've got the right side saddlebag, the bass knob wiring, and the wiring for the rear mid-bass amp, the RCA setup. We have power over here, and we have the saddlebag wiring for this one. Our ground is already down here, sitting here. We had to put the battery in and get that done, but we're able to get everything underneath the tank. It bolted back in. Cicada speakers are in the fairing. And over here, you see our power ground. Everything's on this side. We got our copied up with what Bill has been doing for us for a long time and shrink tubing that up for the lowers. DSP's up there nice and snug. All the wiring's nice and clean and tucked up in there, as you can see. Looks factory to a point. So we're gonna continue getting this bike put back together. That way we get the tour pack done. So here in a little bit, we'll show you all of that before it goes back together and finishing it up. Before I go getting the fairing and the seat back on this, I'm going to show you all how it turned out. So we have our ARC Audio PSM Pro stashed up in behind there. You can kind of see the wires right there. We have the FLX 1400.4 stuffed up in there. We've got our preamp, everything stuffed here. Quick disconnect for power and ground there. And as we come around the front, CHX 5 1/4 is up there. Tank is back on. All the wiring nice and clean down the side, down the backbone, underneath the seat. And I mean, I'm actually really proud of this. If you weren't really looking for it, you wouldn't know. Besides the dual amp distribution block right here, so we have a 1-aught going into this. 4 gauges coming out. One is going up to the 1400.4 up front. The other one is going here with a 4-gauge ground into the tour pack, connected to that lithium battery, because in the tour pack we put the FLX 2500.1 from Cicada Audio here. So that 4-gauge wire runs from there, so it's fused there. It comes all the way up, goes into this fuse block right here at the top. So it comes in and then interconnects this battery, but then the 1-aught also interconnects to this amplifier as well. We 3D printed this battery mount. This is actually the one we've used in the past, but we modified it to bolt our FLX 2501 on top. That way the customer could still close his tour pack as normal. Oh, sorry, we got the actuator stuck on there, so we're gonna put that back on, but wanted to give him as much room as possible. So we stashed our amplifier right up here. It's nice and secure. The battery box is bolted to the tour pack. So I think it looks really nice, really clean. Quick disconnects for our 10 gauge and for our speaker wires for the lids. Same thing over there. So we're getting ready to get the bags buttoned up and put back on here. Fenders are cut with a nice trim piece here. We put paint, touch-up paint on the opening. That's all nice in there. So this bike is just about ready to get put back together. We're gonna get the bags done, the seat on here, and let y'all listen to it soon. All right, this bike is complete. We've got everything done. The customer's here. We're gonna do a little walk around of the bike again to show you everything that's done. Audio demo, talk to him, let him get back on the road. He's going back to Ohio. About darn as far as these Canadians came down to see us. So we're getting bikes done today. Very busy day at the shop, but we're gonna get them done and get them back to these customers. So I'll show you this bike. Again, this beautiful 24. I just love these paints. It looks amazing. So we did the PSM Pro up there, our 1400.4 FLX from Cicada there. We got CHX 5 1/4 here. We got our CXX 6.5s here, and our Davidson audio sealed and ported. Again, big shout out Nagy Customs for the ring, for the topper. Could not be doing these jobs without him. Absolutely amazing product. And then a lot of the magic is back here. We got our custom 3D printed bracket here to hold our amplifier and our battery down. Fuse distribution here, limitless batteries in both locations to give us more of what Harleys would have as far as capacity is concerned. So let's give you all a listen to this bike and see what the customer's thoughts are so you can get back on the road.
I prophesy, Holy Spirit all up inside. Ask me to pray and I'm like, thought you took my joy, thought you took my peace, but man, the devil is alive. Man, start the business, write the vision, get the grease, stick to the mission. I hear heaven singing.
This customer's bike is all wrapped up. Let's see what his thoughts are on it so he can get on the road and wrap this video up. Customer is here to pick up his bike. We've been sitting here talking, going over the tune and everything, so we're gonna get his thoughts on the system and let him get back on the road. He's gotta go all back to Ohio.
Yeah, worth the trip, drove 900 and some miles down there for blown away, just blown away. Can't believe it. Night and day difference. Love everything he did for me.
That's what we appreciate. Good communication, getting everything set up with you?
Yes, great communication. Even Saturday, Sunday night. I was against the fence on getting it done. And I last minute called you, I think it was almost 9 o'clock at night.
Oh, yeah, and we got it sent over.
We got it sent over and got everything in the works, and then I was heading on down here to get this all wrapped up and done.
Heck yeah, and we appreciate you left us with it, and we worked it in with some other jobs and got it done for him, and now he's here to pick it up. So, sir, as always, we greatly appreciate the trust in us and our business. So if you look for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian motorcycle, we even do a lot of Harleys. That's a brand new CVO there. We do all sorts of bikes. If you look for the best aftermarket audio solution, make sure you check us out in beautiful Panama City, Florida. We'd love to help you all out. So God bless all of you. Have a great day.